In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of withdrawing cryptocurrency from the LSSC website to platforms like Binance, Crypto.com, and Kraken. After logging into your LSSC account, click on the three lines in the corner to open the menu. Then select the Withdraw option. This will take you to a page with a single field labeled Wallet Address. Here you need to paste the wallet address from the exchange you want to withdraw to, whether it's Binance, Crypto.com, or Kraken. For example, if you're withdrawing to Binance, open your Binance app, copy your wallet address for the specific cryptocurrency you're using, then return to LSSC and paste it into the field. After double-checking that the address is correct, click the Conversation button to confirm the withdrawal. The same steps apply for other exchanges. Just make sure you're using the correct address and network for the selected currency. Always verify the address carefully, as any mistake could result in the loss of your funds. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.